Welcome to the Learn a Language channel. This is where you can improve your English with micro stories. Hi, I'm Emma. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to my amazing family and our special day together. This is my mother, and she is busy in the kitchen making delicious food. She loves making food, and she is really good at it. Here's my father helping her, always with a big smile on his face. He loves my mother very much. They have known each other since they went to school. Here's my big brother, he's in his room. I'm his little sister. He always takes good care of me. We are really good friends and always have so much fun together. And look, my grandparents are here too. They tell the best stories from when they were young. Their favorite story is about their honeymoon, where they traveled the world on a big cruise ship. They have showed us all their wonderful photos from that trip. And here are my energetic cousins. They always bring even more excitement to our gatherings. They are so much fun. My aunt and uncle are also joining us, bringing their warm laughter to the family mix. They visit us often, and we have a wonderful relationship with them. When it's dinner time, we gather around the table, sharing food and stories. It's like a big, happy feast. Sometimes on the weekends, our mom and dad give us candy. My brother and I love candy. As the sun sets, we often sit around the fire, reflect on the day, and appreciate our family. That's my family. Love, laughter, and togetherness. Thanks for joining us on this special day with my wonderful relatives. I look forward to seeing you again next time. If you want to improve your English, here are a few more ideas for you.